trying to scrub it kind of good and get the debris and all of this old gunk from the past 10 years that's been sitting there, and so that's why I'm scrubbing so hard and it's taking me so long. I think normally it shouldn't take this long, and again, this is my first time. I love guns, but not enough to, you know, be swift at this kind of thing. It's really my first time ever cleaning a gun, really. I don't think I'm doing too bad. Okay. The barrel. Okay. Okay. Try to clean this part the same way. And like I said, for what I understand, if you got all the right pieces and stuff, it shouldn't take long at all. But since I don't, that's why it's taking me a little longer. It looks like it's cleaning it because this swab was pretty much white. And as you can see, it's turning black. So I'm getting some gunk off, or some gunpowder and whatever else. Whatever other kind of debris can get inside your gun. Which 90% of the time it's in a holster, but I know it still can get dust and things like that. I think that's pretty good. Now I guess I'll go ahead and start back putting it together. And then we'll get the gunk back together. It looks like it's a little too much on some of it, so I just pat it dry a little bit. Look at that. It's pretty dirty, as you can see. Get out that excess oil, like I said. Sorry it's taking so long, y'all. I guess I could have paused most of this video. I have a couple of rifles too that my grandfather gave me before he passed away, and my father had a 30-06 when he passed away. It was just sitting in the closet. I have that too. Maybe one day I'll do a video on how to clean those, which they maintain their weapons way better than I do. But you live and you learn, as my mom said her mom used to say. So yeah, looks like it's good. And I guess that's all it takes. I'll just clean off. I'll get another clean paper towel and get the rest of this excess oil. And I think that's it. Later I go outside and do a little target practice, and here we go. Thanks for watching. So, like, comment, subscribe, share for more related videos or any of my content. This is Dustin's World Open. There's no telling what you'll see on my channel. Here lately, it's been about my daughter playing basketball. That's the videography. PG-12. They are in the playoffs. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Peace.